The Kaveri Water Regulation Committee has directed Karnataka to release 3,500 cassettes of Kaveri water to Tamil Nadu every day for 15 days beginning 8 am on July 29th. The order was issued during the 139th meeting of the CWRC, attended by representatives of all Kaveri Basin states through video conference. Hours after the decision, farmers in Mysuru and Mandya staged protest against the water release. Tamil Nadu told the committee that Karnataka had fallen short of its scheduled water releases. The state said that it had received only 3.543 thousand million cubic feet of water between June 1st and July 26th, resulting in a cumulative deficit of 35.391 thousand million cubic feet. It also pointed to low storage in the Mettur reservoir and requested Karnataka to clear the shortfall in line with the Kaveri water sharing schedule. The CWRC has scheduled its next meeting for August 11th. Meanwhile, Karnataka has decided to challenge the order before the Kaveri Water Management Authority. Water Resources Minister Ramalinga Reddy said the state has water only to meet drinking needs and is not in a position to release any more water. He said officials have been directed to file an appeal on July 29th or 30th. Leader of the opposition R. Ashoka accused the Congress government of failing to protect Karnataka's interest and urged it to challenge the decision immediately. The latest development comes just days before the August 3rd meeting between the Chief Ministers of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu in Bengaluru to discuss the Kaveri dispute and the proposed Mekedatu Reservoir project.